Hi, I'm Lucy and welcome to the Two-Way Radio Shop YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going over some of the key features on the Telox TE590 POC device. If you're not already familiar with POC, push-to-talk over cellular devices, these devices are very similar to a traditional two-way radio, but the difference is with POC devices, they operate on their own cellular network, similar to a mobile phone for a more broader coverage. So I'm just going to give you a 360 view of the device so you can have a better look of what it actually looks like. So this device comes with a belt clip, a lithium-ion battery, one USB cable and an adapter. Now I'm just going to put the devices together and show you some of its key features. So to attach the device's battery is very simple and straightforward as it just clips into place. And to remove the battery you can just easily flip the switch at the bottom and it pops out. As you can see on the back of the device as well, it also includes some anti-slip housing on the back of the battery to give you a better grip. As you can see as well, the belt clip is very straightforward to attach as it just clips straight onto the back of the device. On the side of the device you can see as well there's a large textured push to talk button along with some volume control keys. And on the front of the device it's really easy to navigate. As you can see there's a screen, a navigation bar with a menu button, a home button and a return button. On the side of the device as well you can also see an easy access camera button, an accessory port and a USB port. On the top of the device there's radio's antenna, a panic alarm button, a channel selector button and the on-off button. I'm now just going to go ahead and turn the device on by holding the button at the top of the device. And this is how you adjust the volume of the device just using the keys on the side. And I'm also just going to flick through some of the keys so you can see how the buttons are used. As you can see, the device can access the internet, so I'm just going to go through and show you how you can access Google. And now I'm just going to show how you can make a call and flick through some of the keys on the device. That's it for the video today, but thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed and I hope this has given you a better idea of how to operate a POC device.